In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Tasks into TickTick 2025 Full Guide. By the end, you'll have an automated connection so that what happens in Google Tasks can trigger actions in TickTick, all powered by Zapier. Start by opening your browser and searching for Zapier. Click through to the official Zapier website. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, create a new one. It's free to get started, and you can always upgrade later if you need higher volume automations. Once you're in, look to the top left and choose the Create option. Then head into Zaps. A Zap is simply a workflow with a trigger and an action. When something happens in one app, Zapier tells another app what to do. You'll see the editor with two main sections. Begin with the trigger. Click into the trigger panel and search for Google Tasks. Select it as your trigger app. You'll be prompted to connect your Google account if it's not already connected, and you may be asked to allow permissions. That's normal. Zapier needs access to read your tasks so it can watch for changes. Choose the trigger event that makes sense for your workflow, such as when a new task is added. If you keep multiple task lists in Google, choose the specific list to avoid pulling in everything. This keeps your automation tidy and predictable. Next, move to the Action panel. Click into the Action area, then search for TickTick. Select TickTick as the Action app and connect your TickTick account when prompted. Once connected, you'll choose the action you want Zapier to perform in TickTick. A common choice is creating a new task, but you can pick the option that best mirrors your process. Now map your fields so your data lands exactly where you want it. For example, send the Google task title into TickTick's task name, pass any notes into the description, and, if available, carry over due dates. If you use specific TickTick lists, select the right list here to keep things organized. Small tip: keep naming consistent between both apps so your automation remains easy to understand later. At this point, both applications are linked in your Zap. You've told Zapier which change in Google Tasks to watch for and what action to perform in TickTick. From here, your workflow is streamlined. New or updated items in Google Tasks will flow into TickTick with the details you mapped. If anything doesn't populate as expected, revisit the mapping and make sure the correct lists and fields are selected. That's all you need to integrate Google Tasks with TickTick using Zapier.